Hi! Today, I'd like to show you how you can create a subscription management voice agent using our AI agent, Grace. Now for the use case, let's take a fictional company called Sarah's Cookies. And as it says in the name, they have a cookie subscription that mails out cookies to all of the customers for a monthly payment. Now, the case we have is if we have a customer who would like a refund because they forgot to cancel their subscription or they would like to cancel it. Now, Sarah's Cookies uses Stripe as a payment service. So what we would like Grace to do is to make the refund for the customer directly into Stripe. And then also at the end of our playbook, we would like Grace to then upsell the customer, asking them if they would like to maybe sign up for a cheaper plan. Now just to show you the before in Stripe. So this is our Stripe dashboard for Sarah's Cookies. And here we have the charge for John, which he wishes to refund. So hopefully after the call is done, this will be refunded, this charge. And also we will see a new charge here for the upsell done by Grace afterwards. So just jump first into the demo and I'll go over setup afterwards.
Hello, thank you for calling Sarah's Cookies. My name is Grace, the virtual assistant that will help you today. How can I assist you today?
Yes, hi. I would actually like to refund my cookie subscription. I was charged for it, but I wanted to cancel it.
No worries. I'll be happy to assist you with the refund. To proceed, I'll need to verify your identity. Can you please provide the email address associated with your account?
Yes, that'll be johnsmith@gmail.com.
So that email was johnsmith@gmail.com. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Now, for security purposes, can you provide the last 4 digits of the payment card used for the subscription?
4242.
You said 4242. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Great. I've successfully verified your account. I'll now process a refund for your latest subscription payment. The refund has been initiated, and you should see the amount credited back to your account within 5 to 7 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. Before you go, I wanted to let you know about our new affordable cookie box option for only $19 a month. You get 15 delicious cookies every month instead of 25. Would you like me to set that up for you?
Yeah, sure. That sounds good.
Great. Would you like me to charge the same card we have on your account?
Yes, please.
You have been successfully subscribed to the 15 cookie plan. You will now be charged accordingly in the next filling cycle. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that was it.
If you ever need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a sweet day.
So now that the call is done, let's go into our Stripe dashboard. And if I update my Stripe dashboard, I'll probably see, let's see. Yeah, I can see that the previous charge was refunded. And also here we see the newest charge of the upsell with the 50 cooking plan that Grace helped John Smith sign up for afterwards. And as you just saw, Grace was able to detect my caller intent, authorize me, then help me with the refund, communicating with Stripe, and also then upsell me for a new plan, and then again, making the payment to Stripe again. So I'm just going to go in and show you how we set this up in Gridspace. So here we have our Gridspace dashboard. We are now in the playbooks section. This is our script of the whole flow. Our whole flow consists of a call flow, a voice agent or bot, and connectors and playbooks. Now, if you'd like to know how to create the call flow, connectors, and voice agent, we have a lot of other videos on our YouTube channel. And you can also go on the Grace 101 video for all the basics. But I'm just going to go over the script to show you how we have kind of connected this all together inside the playbooks. So first we have our intro script where we welcome them, and then we have a few options here. And then in this case, we went to refund route. And then we say, no worries, I'll be up. And then we say, no worries, I'll be happy to assist you with the refund. And then we, of course, collect the email because we would like to authenticate the user. And then we collect the email here. We have a form field, which is asking a question, and we're saving the information they give us into a tag, which we're going to use later. And we're also specifying here the email information type we're collecting. So we can be very specific about what information we're collecting. In this case, we're collecting an email. And then we are checking this information inside a logic node. So first here, we are running connector, which now connectors are basically scripts where this is a HTTP GET request to Stripe, which we're running in between the different pages and nodes inside the playbook. So we can then get information and post information to different systems, integrations. So we're basically sending out the GET request to Stripe trying to get the customer ID from the email that the user gave us. And if it's successful, then it's checking this customer ID tag, which is getting it from the script. And then here's checking, is this tag like equal to 0, or we did not find anything? Then no user find. If it's not 0, then it's authenticated. So you go on to the next step. And then here we're asking for the last few digits of their credit card, because this we also are getting in the connectors. So we get a digit sequence, and then we're saving it in a tag again. We go to the next logic node, which is then here we're running another connector, which is a script. We're getting the payment methods from Stripe based on the customer ID. And we're then checking here, is the caller's digits, so input from the caller, equal to the digits we got from Stripe? If so, then we're going to issue the refund. So I'm running another connector here, where we're getting the charges of the customer. And in this case, it's logical that the first charge of the customer. So in the next page right here, we are then running another connector, which we are refunding the amount back to the user. And then in the next page, we're going to upsell them. So we would like to keep them if we can. So we're going to say that to them when we have a new affordable option for $19. You can get 15 cookies if you'd like to do so. And in this case, it would yes. So we go into then asking them, we'd like to just use the same payment card because we already had that information. And then here we are making the payment again, Stripe payment directly to Stripe again, charging them. And then here at the end, we have a QA bot. So here the caller can ask as many questions as they would like. And then once they say, I'm finished, then we go into the last page, which is the outcome page, which is basically saying to the playbook, now we're ending. So we made this an outcome page. And then we chose the outcome name, and then just basically leaving them out with the exit script. Hope you have a sweet day. And that was it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll answer any questions you have there. You can also request if you would like me to create a video or maybe details going to the Stripe connector. I'm happy to do that. And if you would like to see Grace in more scenarios, you can go into our website, gridspace.com. There are many more demos there. You can see Grace in different use cases. And I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.